Hello guys, let us see one more example on Python programming. We'll go with the Fibonacci series. Hope we all know what is Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is like starts with 0 and then we have 1, 1 and then 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 and then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13 and so on. Now let us see how we can write a code so that we can get obtain a Fibonacci series from that. Let us have an input from the user, say num is equal to as an integer, input, enter the number of loops. So how many times you want to go through that, or how many values you want for Fibonacci series. Then we'll go with a variable a equal to 0. What is happening here? Oh, sorry. Okay, equal to 0. Then we have b equal to 1, sum equal to 0. We'll be displaying the first value as 0 only, so sum is equal to 0. Then we'll have count. This is for incrementing. So now let us see. Let us write print Fibonacci series is. Okay, now we'll go with the while statement. We'll be looping now. So we'll be looping with the number of loops what the input will be providing as an integer. So we'll be saying count less than equal to our num, whatever we will be providing. Now first thing it will do is like print sum. So it should print 0, it should start from 0. Now how we are going to increment it? 0 to 1, 1 to 0 to 1, again 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. How we can increment that? So let us see. Now we'll assign. We all know a is 0 now, but we'll be assigning a equal to b. So now a has the value of 1. The next we'll be going with b equal to sum. B equal to sum. So b means b is having the value of 0 here. Let us see. Now we will be assigning sum is equal to a plus b. So a plus b is a is 1 and sum a is 1 and b is 0. So again 1 plus 0 is 1. Now we will implement count plus equal to 1. This is nothing but we will be incrementing the count 1 by 1. So it should match. Once the count is equal to num, so it should stop. The loop should end there. So let us see now. I think the code is done. Number of loops, say 10. So I have the value as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So you can see its Fibonacci series has been obtained. So hope you liked my video. Please press like button, and for more video of such examples, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.